Welcome to the video. We have finally made it to Shenzhen.
I still love you.
This is known as China's most futuristic city, and we cannot wait to see what it's got to offer. Let's go.
So we have come to the financial centre in Shenzhen, and the tallest building is just here to the right of me, and we're about to go up it, and I cannot wait to see the vast size of Shenzhen right now.
This city feels so metropolitan. Everybody's out working. It's a Monday and the buildings are so big here. It feels such a city vibe, a modern city vibe. And we're about to go up to the top, so let's see the views from up there.
Wow, the entrance to this building is so futuristic. There's so many lights, so many interactive things. We're now in a lift and there's screens all around us. I cannot wait to see the views from the top, but the entrance has blown me away anyway.
So we've made it to the top and the views are incredible from up here. And me and Scarlett are about to stand on the world's highest glass floor. It's in the Guinness Book of Records. Can we fit on, Scarlett? Look, we're right here. We're on the tallest glass floor in the world. So far up in the sky. Wow. How does it feel to be on the tallest glass floor in the world?
It doesn't feel that bad actually because it's really small, but if it was bigger it would be like terrifying. Whoa, check this out. It's a fish tank in a telephone box. It's absolutely awesome.
So we've made it to the top of this incredible building. It's the second tallest building in China and we are at the top. The views from the outside look insane. We can see the whole of Shenzhen and we can also see Hong Kong. The views are so good. We feel so lucky to be coming up here and seeing this. What a place. What did you get?
Ice cream.
You got some ice cream at the top of the tower? Mm-hmm. What flavours did we get?
Chocolate. Vanilla raspberry.
Vanilla raspberry?
Strawberry.
Strawberry, wow, okay.
Obviously someone's going to do the taste test.
I am going to do a taste test. I'm going to try chocolate first.
It's like a chocolate brownie.
Chocolate. Very good. Next one. Very good. Wow. Oh, strawberry. They're all really nice. So we've just come down from the top of the building. It was incredible there, what an experience. And we're now in the mall which is connected to it, and it all just feels really modern, really like luxury if I'm honest. It feels brand new. And it just is so cool to come to a place like this and experience super modern China.
So this is a pineapple bun and I hope it's gonna taste good. It's sweet and it's got like butter inside that makes it really good. I really like it. Apparently that we're eating it wrong. You're supposed to do it like this.
So in this massive metropolitan city we have found a park. It looks really nice. We've come to Shenzhen Talent Park. So we're going to have a little look around here and we're going to see if we can get a special high-tech delivery.
This park's actually really nice, just slap bang in the centre. All the buildings are around, but it is such a nice green space. It's always nice in big cities like this to have these green spaces to be able to come, breathe some fresh air and just get away from the madness of the city. This is a nice spot. And also we come down the hill and there's this like lake right here. Obviously the girls are running round and having fun, but so far Shenzhen is looking very, very nice.
Okay, so we're in the middle of the park. I am parched, I need a drink, and we've come to this insane place where you can actually get things delivered via a drone. So I'm gonna order a cold iced matcha drink for me, and it's gonna fly into me and come into this box behind me. Let's see if I can get it to work. So I've opened my WeChat scan. I'm gonna scan it. Oh, here it comes, it's all loading up here. Wow, I can even order a KFC if I fancied it right here. I'm not going to do that though because I'm just really thirsty because it's a really hot day. I'm going to order a matcha green tea from Starbucks just here. There we go. Let's order that now. I wonder how long it's going to take for that drone to fly in and deliver to us.
Wow, there it is. Here it is. Whoa. Look at that. Check that out.
Okay, so it's just been delivered via the drone, which that was really actually quite quick. So that's been delivered now into the box, and all I need to do is put the last 4 digits of my phone number in here and I should receive it. Let's hope it works, and let's hope it is actually mine. Alright, here we go. Moment of truth. Ah! Let's just check this out. Check this out! There we go, we've got more Starbucks. Let's have a quick look, see if it's right. Oh my goodness, just check this out. This is my our first ever delivery via a drone. Starbucks matcha tea. Incredible.
I never thought I'd be having a Starbucks sat in the middle of a park in Shenzhen, China that was delivered by a drone. Cheers to the future.
So we had our delivery via a drone, but now there's so much to get done and so much to be seen within this city. Where we are standing right now used to be under sea, which is quite incredible, and there's a statue behind me that used to be in the sea, so it used to look really picturesque in the sea, but there is no sea anymore. Wow, I find that really incredible.
So we've just come down into this central area and there is a massive cruise ship in the background there, and it literally is the center. This is like inland, so there's no route to the sea. They've got this like water here that's like a swimming pool sort of thing. I don't think you can swim in it, but it looks like a swimming pool, and apparently there's a fountain show there on a night. But what I'm really interested in is the cruise ship. How did it get there? Apparently all this area literally used to be sea. So did the cruise ship just stay there from the sea and they built around it? I don't know, let us know in the comments, but it's pretty cool and it's huge. It's right in the center of this area. There's all hotels, restaurants around here. It's really new and modern, but the cruise ship is very interesting. What a long but very special day we've had here in Shenzhen, and it's closing out now. It's getting to the night time, the sun's going down, it's all starting to light up a little bit and look a little bit extra special, and we are about to go on this huge Ferris wheel that overlooks the city and the bay and everything like that. We're really looking forward to going up there and seeing the views and watching the nighttime fall in and the lights come on. Let's go. We're in. Girls, what do we think?
It's amazing. Yeah.
We can't wait to get to the top and see the views from the top, but it is so cool in here. And we've got a whole capsule to ourselves. We have made it right to the top and the views are incredible of the outside. It is so futuristic out there, it's crazy. Olivia, what can you see?
I can see like all the lights and towers. It's amazing. Look at this.
It is so awesome to come up here and see the city from this view. We've got the daytime view from the big tower earlier, and now I've got the nighttime view from the Ferris wheel in the bay, and it is magnificent up here. It really is. What a day we've had.
I think it's really quite peaceful. It's 30 minutes to go round. It's really nice to just like sit, relax and look round at the city and it light up. It's really incredible. To the left of us is the ocean and bridges going across, and then to the right is the metropolitan side. Wow, what a day we've had in Shenzhen. We've literally done so much. I'm absolutely exhausted. It's coming up to 8 o'clock now. We've gone through so many things, but there was so much to see in this city. I hope you guys really enjoyed following our journey today, and please if you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up and make sure you have subscribed if you haven't already. We've got so much more to come. What a day we have had. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.